Hello, this is Matt Keys. We're looking at WP Nav Plus, and we're going to be covering the menu segment functionality. So on the left, we've got our demo site, and on the right, we're looking at the WordPress admin area. And you see we've got this menu structure. We've got two parent items, resources and company, and they have these children here. So what menu segment allows us to do is to take one of these segments of the menu or the chunk of the menu and display just that little bit on its own. So we could display all the children of resources in this example or all the children of company, and it doesn't matter what page is active on our site, what page people are looking at. So let's go ahead and implement that now so you can see what that looks like. First thing we're going to do, we're in the widget screen now, and we're going to move the WP Nav Plus widget over into our footer widgetized area. And we're looking at the primary menu, and we're going to go over to these segment options at the bottom here. And we can click into our segment parent. So if I wanted to show all the children of the resources page, I would just click resources here, save it, and let's refresh. So here we go. These are the 4 items that are children of resources. And as I mentioned, no matter where we navigate through the page, through the site, those will always stay active there. It doesn't matter what the active page is. We could do that again. Let's put this in our next widget area in the footer. And we could show in the second one all the children from the company page section. So that's as easy as it is. If you don't want to use widgets though, you can also do this in your templates using the WP Nav menu function, and I'm going to show you how that's done right now. So I commented out the widget areas, so those are gone. And I'm going to bring back some code I wrote earlier. So these are the WP Nav menu functions, and what's new here is that I've injected a new argument called segment. And that argument can take 2 different types of data. We can give it an integer here of 10, and if we look in our admin, see where we got 10 from, the company page has the post ID of 10. So that's the object ID. So that's one way you can pass the parent in. And let's refresh the page here so we see that working. So now we have the children of company based on the number 10 there. And then we also have the children of object ID 8, which is the resources section. If you don't want to look up the segment or the object ID, you can also just pass in the title. So we can get the children of company, the children of resources, and that works the exact same way. So there you have it. You can use the widget if you have a widget area where you need it, or if you'd rather just do this right in the templates, feel free to do it that way as well. Also check out some of my other videos on here. You can have limit and offset, start depth, and divided menus, all as part of the WP Nav Plus package. Thank you.